Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to quickly debloat your computer using Sparkle from the command line via PowerShell. So we recently did a video on the whole Sparkle app itself and went through all the tools and everything you could do with it. But if you just want to run the debloater tool, you could do so without having to download and install Sparkle itself. Alright, so all you need to do is take this PowerShell command here, the script, paste it into an administrator PowerShell prompt, and you're good to go. So let's copy this here real quick. Open PowerShell as administrator. Right, we can just right click to paste it in. Press enter to run it. Now you can see it just brings up the debloater part of Sparkle, and you have these two options here. You have the Sparkle Debloat, which will give you some choices of which ones you want to keep or remove. And then you have the comprehensive one, which will do a little more, but they recommend running this one. But if you want to read up on this one, you could do so first before you run this command. So we're just going to use the recommended option here. Click on continue. Now it'll bring up the tool here. So the key thing to remember with this is to uncheck the apps you want to remove. It's kind of backwards because you would think you'd want to check the ones you want to remove, you want to uncheck. So right now it's going to keep calculator, camera, notepad, paint, photos, and so on, Xbox. All right, so let's just test it out here. Let's say we wanted to get rid of, let's say, Solitaire, Clipchamp, and Photos. So we would have to uncheck those. So Photos, Solitaire's already unchecked, and Clipchamp's already unchecked. Let's do Calculator 2 just for fun, since it's just a test computer. And you could also select all or deselect all, and just click on Start Debloat. It'll probably take a few moments to run the process here. All right, then you can see the progress here as it's going along. All right, so this might take a little bit of time here, so I'll just pause the video and then be back when it's finished. All right, so the debloat is completed here. All right, so now let's check our apps here. All right, so you can see that Clipchamp, Solitaire, and Photos is gone. I don't know, remember if Calculator was on this main list or not, so let's do a search for it. Nope, it's not in here, so that was removed as well. All right, so as you can see, it is a quick way to remove a bunch of bloatware from Windows. And of course, you could still use the regular Sparkle app itself if you want to do even more. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could watch our video on the full Sparkle app, and then I'll also put this in the description as well. And that way you can just copy and paste it into an administrative PowerShell window and uninstall some Windows apps. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.